So, me and my buddies were playing TF2, right?
Backward.
Hold on, can we pause this clip? This fella right here is Person Jiu-Jitsu, a fresh install, level 1. This clip right here is us leading him to the fight because he was built on last for the whole game before we had joined, which was probably about half an hour. Since he was so new, I wanted to help him, so that way he might enjoy the game a little better, because TF2 when you first install it is a
Why
mess.
isn't he turning around?
Gotta keep him alive, Jacob.
Now I know Vanguard's a really confusing map, but this guy literally was just doing circles the whole time.
He's heading the wrong way. He thinks he's heading to the point. He's heading backwards.
And I did try to help him in the voice chat. You can't hear me though.
They have a level 3.
I went Pybro to help him, pretty reasonable, and my buddy Starman went Ingy so that way he could upgrade his stuff.
Oh, no.
Nice one, Christian.
You got a level 3 all the way over.
Unfortunately, during this little scrap, he caught on fire and ran away, so I couldn't even air blast him, put him out, so he just died.
He's learning.
He finally got his level 3 exit, and I told him, hey, you could go grab your stuff from spawn and walk through your teleporter so you don't have to carry it all back.
There's no level 3.
He bonks his head along the way a couple
All these
times,
fucking
but he gets there eventually. This right here is one of the funniest things I've ever seen in TF2. He's trying to pick up his sentry, but instead of picking it up, he goes right through the teleporter because he was standing right on it. He bonks his head along the way a couple times. After this, he set up on the point, all his stuff got blown up, and then he went sniper and got a few points. I'd like to think that these 1,000-hour players helped this newbie's first few games be a little bit better.
What was the sign?
And thus is the tale of Person Jiu-Jitsu.